So in this video, I'll be teaching you how to make an animation for your YouTube subscribe button. This is totally a faceless video and I hope you could stay along and learn something new today as well. So this is our green screen video that we'll be using. So to get access to this video, there is a link in the description. Click on that link to download the video. So let's import our video to CapCut. Now, unless I forget, we are using CapCut for this video creating. So if you don't have CapCut, do well to visit App Store or Google Play Store to download the CapCut. That is the name of the application, CapCut. So this is how the animation looks like. It's a green effect video, and we'll have to edit our channel's icon onto this before we upload onto our videos. So now let's make an overlay of our channel's icon. So you add the photo of your channel's icon as an overlay, just like what I'm doing. So this is the icon of my channel. So you can see I've imported it. So after you import the photo, make sure it's an overlay photo. You mask it. So when you choose mask, you go in for the circle and then you use your two fingers to slide simultaneously to get the exact shape of the icon. So after doing that, you set it onto the place it must be done. So just like what I'm doing, just set it onto that place like that and make sure you align it to that frame. So when you're done, you stretch the overlay, make sure it's equal to the main video, the grain effect. Yes, you align, you stretch it just like I just did. So when you're done with this, you come to the beginning of the video. So you drag the channel's icon down and then you click on this icon. Make sure it aligns to the frame. That is the icon at the top there. So you click on it and you slide the video. After you slide the video, you can see it has moved away small. So you realign it and you slide the video, realign it. So you keep doing this until the animation becomes stable. Now, the better you do it, the better results you get. Make sure you don't slide the video too much. You just slide it a little bit and then you realign. You slide a little bit, you realign. So you keep doing this until the animation is stable, just like you are seeing on the screen. So this is the first result from the beginning. So at the end, you slide back to where the next animation, which is the exit animation, will start. So you just find where it is starting. You locate where it is starting and then you click on that icon again. You click on it. So you slide the same way. You click, you slide, you align, you slide, you align, you slide, you align. Just make sure you don't slide too much. Make sure you don't slide too much. So you slide, then you align, just like you are seeing on the screen. So in that order, you align it below so that it follows till it vanishes, just like that. So when you are able to do this, you will get a perfect result. So this is how the exit animation also looks like. So you can see it right away from the screen. So let's start from the beginning. and see our results. So you can see it was also dropping down just like the way it came up at the beginning. So this is a simple way to do or animate a subscribe button onto your video. Now we are not done. Let's export. After we are done with the video, we export the video. Now let me show you how to add this. So let's say this is our original video. You add the saved animation, the one you just did, as an overlay onto the original video. So this is the video we made. So we add it as an overlay onto the original video, our YouTube video we've created. So you click and then you click on remove background, and then you click on chroma key. Now you select the color, you shift, and then you choose the color, the green effect, and you increase the intensity. So it's going to remove the green background, and this is what our final result is going to look like. You can edit it, you can adjust it how you want it to be, and it's going to work as perfect as you want it. So this is how it's going to look like. Thank you so much for watching. There are more green screen videos in the package, so you can use any of them, and then you use the same principle to generate any kind of animations of your liking.